Did you know over 80% of online content is now video, and that number keeps rising every year? So what if turning just a few lines of text into a full, realistic video was possible? That's exactly what Google's Veo 3.1 does, an AI tool that brings written ideas to life with sound, motion, and emotion. Why Veo 3.1 feels different? The earlier version, Veo 3, already impressed a lot of people with its ability to turn text into video. But Veo 3.1 takes things several steps further with better visuals, smarter control, and synced sound. The videos now come out in full 1080p quality, with smoother movements and cleaner audio that feel more natural than before. It also understands creative direction much better, capturing moods, lighting, and motion with surprising accuracy. When someone asks for a quiet, rainy night scene, Veo 3.1 doesn't just show rainfall. It adds soft reflections, dim streetlights, and gentle rain sounds that complete the mood. This level of detail makes scenes feel lifelike, not robotic. Pretty neat, right? It's one of those upgrades that makes people stop and realize how far AI video tools have come in such a short time. Veo 3.1 offers three main ways to bring ideas to life, each built for different kinds of users. The first is reference to video, where 1 to 3 images are uploaded as guides. The AI then uses those images to generate a moving clip while keeping the subject consistent. For instance, upload a mountain photo, and Veo can animate clouds drifting past or hikers walking through the frame. It feels like giving the AI a few visual hints and watching it build the rest. The second is fast mode, which needs only a start and end frame. The AI fills in everything that happens in between, creating motion that connects both frames seamlessly. This is perfect for quick edits or short transitions. And the third is scene extension, which continues a clip beyond where it stops, keeping the same lighting, style, and tone. Anyone who has ever tried to make smooth clips manually knows how long that usually takes, and that's why this tool feels like a time saver. Veo 3.1 completely redefines how audio and visuals work together. Unlike older AI tools that made silent clips, it generates perfectly synced sound, matching lip movements, footsteps, wind, and ambient noise with precision. Even voiceovers from text play naturally, turning lines like, "Here on the savannah," into lifelike narration. This seamless sync makes storytelling effortless and saves hours of post-production work. When it comes to editing, Veo 3.1 gives full creative control. Users can add or remove objects, and the lighting and shadows automatically adapt to stay realistic. Its style adjustments let creators change color tones, moods, and filters through simple prompts. The result? Professional quality videos refined with ease, all inside one intelligent system.
Veo 3.1 doesn't just read text. It understands creative direction. It recognizes film-related terms like wide shot, slow zoom, warm tone, and even handheld camera effect. This means creators can describe exactly how they want the camera to behave, and the AI follows it closely. It's not just about visuals anymore, it's about storytelling and mood. Users can also add timestamps like to plan shot sequences, making it possible to design short cinematic stories. Veo 3.1 treats these prompts like a mini-script, keeping the story structure intact. Anyone who enjoys making short films or social media reels will love this kind of precision. It brings a real cinematic touch to even simple clips. There are multiple ways to try out Veo 3.1 depending on what's needed. The Flow app offers a web-based setup with an easy interface for writing prompts and editing results. The Gemini app brings that same power to mobile devices, allowing quick clip generation on the go. For developers or large teams, Gemini API and Vertex AI provide access to build Veo directly into their own apps or workflows. This flexibility means anyone can use it. From a solo creator making content for social media, to marketing teams producing polished product videos, to developers experimenting with automation. Veo 3.1 fits into almost any workflow, whether for creative projects or business purposes. Veo 3.1 isn't just smarter creatively, it's technically stronger too. With better prompt accuracy and improved realism, it now captures finer details like textures, lighting, and reflections more naturally. Every clip carries a SynthID watermark, proving it's AI-made, while the new faster generation mode cuts rendering time drastically. It supports 16:9 and 9:16 formats, producing 4 to 8 second clips that can be extended or looped seamlessly for social content. Studios like Promise and Latitude are already using it for storyboarding and interactive storytelling, while marketers and educators rely on it for quick, high-quality visuals. Though clip lengths are still short and AI voices can sound slightly robotic, the trade-off is minimal compared to its speed and ease. Even with high-resolution demands, Veo 3.1 delivers professional results in minutes. In short, it's a powerful, transparent, and efficient leap in AI video creation. Okay, enough theory. Let's look at 5 example prompts that really show off what Veo 3.1 can do. Each one uses the tool's visual and audio control in different ways. 1. Jungle Explorer reveal medium shot from behind a young explorer pushing away thick vines. Close-up of her face showing awe. Tracking shot as she walks toward moss-covered ruins. High-angle crane shot with gentle music and jungle ambience. This one feels like a short movie scene. It mixes camera motion, character emotion, and environmental sound all in just 8 seconds. Anyone else getting adventure film vibes? 2. Rain-soaked reflection. Close-up of a woman on a bus at night watching city lights blur through rain. Soft blue tones, reflections on glass, sound of raindrops and traffic in the distance. A simple prompt like this can create a moody, emotional clip, perfect for music videos or introspective moments. Veo captures the small details like droplets sliding down the window. 3. African savanna documentary wide tracking shot of elephants walking across the savanna at sunset. Golden light, gentle wind, birds in the background. Narrator voice, "Here on the Serengeti, the giants roam free."
Here on the Serengeti, the giants roam free.
This shows off Veo's natural lighting, sound layers, and voiceover generation. It's the kind of short scene that could fit into a wildlife documentary trailer. 4. Cyberpunk street chase. Neon-lit alley, low-angle tracking shot of a motorbike speeding past glowing signs. Sound of engines and footsteps echoing. Second shot, biker stops near a holographic billboard flickering with static. Color tone, electric blue and magenta. Fast movement, sharp colors, and layered sounds. This one highlights Veo's handling of dynamic motion and futuristic design. 5. Futuristic product launch. High-angle drone reveal of a sleek autonomous car on a rotating platform. Dark studio lighting, spotlight above, soft synth music building up. Narrator voice. Meet the future of mobility. This is a clean example for tech demos or marketing teams. Lighting, reflections, and sound all work together to make the product feel premium. Want better results from Veo 3.1? Be specific with prompts. Mention camera angles, moods, and sound cues for richer results. The next versions may bring longer clips, real-time generation, and smoother transitions, reshaping how creators work. With its blend of visuals, motion, and sound, Veo 3.1 makes storytelling faster and more natural than ever. From quick promos to cinematic scenes, it's putting studio-level creation in everyone's hands. So, what will you create first? A travel reel, a futuristic world, or a nature story? We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.